Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am here filming another video for a quick and easy card, and I'm still showing these Dandelion Wishes, which I really like a lot. And today we're going to be doing a card with one of my favorite colors, which is Gorgeous Grape. And this one will be we're going to be folding it in half. This one is 5.5 by 8.5, so it's my regular type of card, or size of card I should say. This one is Heather, Highlander Heather, is that right? I'm always confusing all these colors. These are brand new for me. But yeah, this is Highland Heather, and this one is 4.5 by 3 1/4. And then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 4 1/4 by 3. Yes, by 3. So then I have a piece of the Design Series paper, the one side of the Bright collection, and this one is 1/2 inch. And honestly, it doesn't matter how long it is, because I'm gonna be cutting it depending on what I do with this one. So we'll see. Now I'm gonna be using the Stamparatus, and you can see here I'm just putting it here. I'm gonna put my magnet, then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of put where I would like to see my my piece, my stamp I should say, and then press hard. And let's just start inking this one. So I'm going to be putting a case. Usually it's easier if you put a case behind it. That way it gives you that extra support. And I'm going to be using Memento ink. And the reason I'm doing this is because sometimes with this image, I don't know, I have issues where not everything gets transferred. And so I am now using this one so that if I don't get the full image, then I can re-ink and do it again. That's the only reason I'm using the Stamparatus. Nothing special other than that. It seems like I did it right, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. And for this, I'm gonna use the Gorgeous Grape for my sentiment. So I'm gonna take this one out of here, and if you haven't used the chamois, honestly this is like one of the best things ever because it cleans your stamps really quick, and it only uses water, so it's kind of neat to have that. So anyway, definitely use that when you're using your Stamparatus. So anyway, let's just go here, put this one here. I'm gonna take that one out. Now, here's what I feel I wanna have that strip. And so I'm putting it here so I know exactly where to stamp. And so I'm gonna be using Gorgeous Grape and putting it here. And I am pressing firmly, but I'm not rocking it. And there we go. I love how it works. So let me just close this, put my case back. Let me close also this one. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and glue this piece of the Design Series paper. And there we go. So now I can just cut the excess. Alrighty. And we are not ready to have this section here. Yes, so this is really quick, easy. And like I said, I'm loving this new stamp set. let's just put it like so. Now for this section, I'll be putting it with the dimensionals, of course. So let's just put one more right now. Let me bring my trash can for a second here, so I can peel and put it there, because you don't want those bakings everywhere. Those bakings everywhere, believe me, they go everywhere. So anyway, so we'll put them here. And now this one needs a rhinestone right there, don't you think? So I'm going to be using rhinestones, and I have a pack. And I'm going to be using one of the large ones. And let's see. And you know what? I think that maybe, yes, let's just put a little bow here. And I'm going to be using our Whisper White, but I'm going to be doing a double bow. So I'm just folding. There we go. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this section. And I'm going to be putting a glue dot. And I'm going to be putting it here. And voila. This is it. Really quick and simple card. Put this in the trash. And voila. What do you think, huh? That rhinestone really makes the trick. So anyway, if you liked my video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget about my ordering incentive. Anytime you place an order with me, using the hostess code, you'll get a card kit in the month. And again, this is a monthly incentive, so you get it the next month. And it will be to make 4 cards. You'll get the instructions as well as everything cut and embellishments as well. The only thing that I do not include is the stamping, but you can substitute with whatever you have on hand, or even better, you can order it next time. The hostess code is on my blog at creatingwithali.com. I'll put a link to my blog on my description of the video, and every post will have the most recent hostess code. And also, if your order is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month as well as the card kit. So anyway, if you have any questions, do let me know. I'm always happy to hear from you. And I'll put also the link of all the products that I use on the description of the video, so you can click on those and it will take you to my online store. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.